Hello, Algebra 1A students. These are the video notes on reviewing for exponents. So we have a couple of things to review, some exponents, some fractions, so we can be able to simplify exponential expressions. So let's start with 2 squared. 2 squared, what does that mean? Well, you have probably heard 2 squared is like 2 times 2. This is what we call expanded form. Expanded form is when you actually write out what that means. So 2 times 2, which would give us 4 as our answer. Let me show you what that looks like with variables. With variables, x cubed would be x times x times x. Notice that happens 1, 2, 3 times. That's where we get this little 3 from. Okay? Now, we don't really know what x times x times x is because we don't know what x is. So, again, we can kind of write it as x cubed if we want to. This is kind of like the shortened form of it. Let's look at 4 cubed. 4 cubed happens 3 times, so it's going to be 4 times 4 times 4. Well, 4 times 4 is 16 times 4. Don't know it off the top of your head. You can plug it, or you can just do it the hard way. 4 times 4. Whoops, 64. Okay, so that would equal 64. Okay, but what I really want you to get from this is what expanded form is, because that's going to really help us when we do our simplifications later. All right, let's talk about fractions. When we have x and we divide it by x, what do we get? We get 1. Okay, this is a way to cancel out or divide to 1 pieces. So if you have something in the numerator and something in the denominator, they cancel to 1. So for example, on this one, 2x over 2y, we have 2 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. Those divided give you 1, so they kind of cancel, and we're just left with x over y. The second thing is that we can also sort of simplify things, right? These both have a factor of 2, so I can take 2 out of here and get 3, and 2 out of here and get 2, and then my fraction becomes 3x over 2y. Okay? So let's do a quick little recap of that. So expanded form is sort of the expansion. What does the exponent actually mean? Fractions review, if you have something in the numerator and something, I guess I should say the same thing in the numerator, same thing in the denominator, those cancel to 1. They divide to 1, so they basically cancel. Okay? So for example, if I had 2xy over xz, okay, what would cancel there is my x and my x, so I'd just be left with 2y over z. Okay? Now I want you to try these 3 problems, or these 4 problems on the bottom, and bring it back in tomorrow.